In front of me is XIAOMI 14T, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this plus at the bottom left corner and click on Files section. Now to add an audio file, select Audio at the top, click on one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, after finding your file, you need to hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video one, select Gallery section instead of Files. Click on your video here, or if you can't find it, select Folders, look for it here, and when you find it, tap on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!